morning. We are doing an impromptu little adventure today. It is a foodie adventure, and we are out at 9:18 on a Sunday morning to go get ice cream. The ice cream factory, which is based in Eldon, Missouri, they make their own homemade ice cream flavors there at their Eldon store. They also have a scoop shop in Jeff City, but they are on their happiness tour because, you know, ice cream brings you happiness. And they are traveling all over the state of Missouri and visiting little towns, and they are giving away free scoops of ice cream. So you know me, if there's an opportunity to check out some foodie style ice cream, I'm gonna do it. So I've got my chauffeur taking me out for ice cream breakfast. So we are headed to the B29 Cafe in Ozark, Missouri, which is close to where we live, to check out this wonderful ice cream opportunity. So on we go. Let's see if we can make it for some free ice cream. All right, so I'm gonna try to talk really loud through my mask here. We wanna, of course, be safe when we're out at this event, but we made it to the free ice cream. So we're super excited to get to try their homemade flavors. Gotta love it. I am not the only person who wants ice cream for breakfast. Look at these other Ozark City members. Hello.
Hi.
We are so excited to get ice cream for breakfast this morning.
Well, who isn't?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the blackberry cobbler.
All right.
I'll do the chocolate chip cookie dough.
All right, you got it.
All right, so I got the blackberry cobbler ice cream. You can tell it's warm outside because it's very melty.
I got chocolate chip cookie dough, always one of my favorites.
And it is delicious. So definitely worth coming out and getting a try, don't you think?
And it's free.
And it's free. And they do have other towns they're still going to in the next few days. So if you live in Missouri, you want to go find the Ice Cream Factory page on Facebook and look for their happiness tour post, and it will tell you the towns they're coming to. They don't tell you the exact location until right before they're going to arrive. So you just want to make sure you follow them so you get their notifications to find out where they're going. So Mom, this is your hint. They're coming to you today, and you're going to want to make sure that you follow them because they're coming to Monette in just a little bit. They're gonna go to Nixa next, then Republic, then Monette.
So get out and find something fun to do today, because today is an adventure day.